listeners, Harika here, and I'm super excited to welcome you to UppTalk. If you're ready to learn and get your hands work wonders in the world of information technology, then you're in the right place. When I say UppTalk, we are not just another edtech company. Consider we are your learning partner committed to unlocking your full potential. Whether you're stepping into the world of technology for the first time or looking to advance your career, we provide top-tier, hands-on courses to build up your career. Let's take our first step towards learning here and explore it.
Then next go to the private app. Here you can see the servers. Click on the vault. Give the administration password. What is the IP address for the vault here? What IP address you have? Have you given one or one? If you don't know, you can directly go to the command prompt and type IP configure. These are the default saves. In the vault you can see, these are the event notification engine and pview configure file, all these things. These are the default saves, which is to call. We go to the system, vaulting them. Here you can see, these are the configuration files. They be from default ITL log file. And these are the license XML file and for our agent and first from the NINI file and TS from datalim file. These are the configuration files. And go to the vault. Now all internal. Here you can see LDAP configuration file. In the vault internal you can get one question and then in there is a way where we can see the vault. LDA configuration file in the vault saves. When I always say the vault internal, I will get an all save. We can able to see the LDAP configuration file. Go to the app. You can check guys. All these fields, other fields. It's very simpler, just check and understand what it is there. That's it. Then go to the tools. And the tools we can add. What is the advanced? These are the default users hand groups because you already installed PVR. Right? That's the reason you can able to see here PVR groups and users list. But you didn't into it. You didn't do the LDAP integration here. No, you didn't, and that's what I understood. Here, administrator editor is the groups batch, all the groups, and few of the groups are there. The user server. Whenever you want to add any user here, click on you. For example, take anyone, click on you, and you add user, create one user here. One name. Have you updated? What is that user type? User type. What is that you dropped on? If you see a user, if you use a power, anything is fine. That's fine. That type. Unclick. Go to the next. This is fine. It's passed. Authentication, another is a password. You can give the password. Just remain. I'll always keep remain all the password. Or instead of both, you can give the member of administrator. Click on the member. Select our admin. Will you come right? Now you can see the rights for him. Authenticator. Authentication. Meant to that. When you are doing the, if you are the member of the wallet administration, you will get complete rights. You can able to log in through Piva. You can remember that user ID and password. Open that PU console. And we need to set up some Active Direct users also for doing the old app integration. And I want to show you one more thing also. And now the person is locked. That user ID is locked. We need to unlock through a provider plan. I just want to show you here. Oh, I broke. I love we didn't do rights. No, that name you can give. You find right. The creator user right. Whether we can able to log in or we need to change. Note, application authentication failure for the user. Go to the provider client. Authentication. Authentication, sure. Not authentication. What is the authentication? Whether go to click on that. And here. And the guys in calm down little bit. Just read it. The cyber app authentication. Something you can keep it. No, it's actually password. Any of the indication PK. IMT authentication. Where it is. An application. Keep it. Now try. Go back. No. I'm prepared. Go to this right. This is the higher on. This is done. We can able to onboard on a computer. To do the security concerns. If anyone has the same question, you can say security concerns. That's it. Now you can log off here and try for it that the user what we will prepare in the location. If not working, then we will change that. Some authentic cases. Does that work? First anyone, you can try, at least we can try if the rate is working or not. Training. I'll give the permission fully administrator. Let me move this one. Why are you making that? Hey, this is your app. Open that user. Go to the general. In the authorization interfaces, then select all the users. I didn't find any users here. Why close that? Cancel that. I think you have a drop down. All the users, all users not there, all users not here. I guess, no, I couldn't see any other users. Or all the users. It should be all users. Should we give you? If you give us a what, there's no other user. No, I didn't see any other user here. App user how to give us a computer. But this should be all user. All user means right. Well, there is no specification. Yes, it's a good conduct. I've got some. I'm going to place this here. Should I do something here? Just leave like this when it's a convention. I can. If that is a case, what is what it is? Give you read it. I'm not able to see. I'm able to blather on the PSMP. Keep it only. Keep it that. Fun. But that the same. I try not. Next, go to the authentication. Don't close. I'll tell you. Password. Great. You can have a high ink password. We'll be doing the password. I guess just give the password. Just do any derivative there. Then go to the authorization. Oh, keep it that. Whatever you type. That should be no lowercase. Uppercase, hand the 8 minimum. If there is any problem, there will not allow the password right. That's next. Next. Authorization. Here you can click. Select. You can select none, no problem. I will anyway. This is the lab one. Let's tell you what that may say to now. Next member of all that may say that you all get it to member. The next you have, the other tabs is what I think. Turn time limitation is personal. Click. Then update it is for maybe. Can you try now? I think you can close this and try that. Yes, you can update. When, or you want to do some updates here. You have to update here. Click, that's fine. You've already assigned everything. And you try there. For Unities, it is not coming that, but I am thinking. I will do case imprecise like the winner. If you have to update your script whenever you guys are seeing that author is the interface side. Now we just gave the TV user. If we have an option, all the users, you need to select that one. Now this user, that Sahib, has the complete rights to change anything here. He has an administration access. Now we can able to do accounts on voting. You can click on add account, add the account, multiple accounts, single accounts. You can do them manually. You can create the shares and you can create the platforms and do the some configurations of platform level. All those things we can do it. If you want to add account, you can click on the add accounts. I didn't have it. Have you created a no? No, go to the cancel. Go to the administration. Flap some element. How to do this on Windows? Click on the Windows and the duplicates. Double gate, anything you can do. Double gate, which is 1. Anything work, everyone? Yes, that's what we. While creating an office. And should to check whether we are creating what. Or what purpose which we are getting. Keep in mind always. For that, now we can give the Windows Win double iron. In real time, which one we have to choose? Windows on the direct. You can select no, you have 3 options. I have Windows text of domain, yes. There are the 3 accounts, domain accounts, local accounts and server level accounts. Now that 3 accounts, they will give the separate shapes, separate platforms. But for my experience, I can tell you one thing. In the real time, platform level architecture will create the platforms of them. 11 and well 2 will not touch that platform creation because this is very complicated. But for our understanding, for our knowledge purpose, whenever you are creating some platform, always check which accounts are those belongs to, whether it is local accounts, the MUN accounts, or server level accounts. Based on that, which we need to duplicate and create the account, create the platform. Got it. But the thing is, we need to check with your architect always. When are you doing this? Some platform creation. Just create Windows. Can you give it as a shortcut key Windows, a double NemUI and test T? Or 90, whatever it is, 90 days. You want to give it as 90 days, 30. And T underscore earlier, this is for local and local accounts, right? A couple of other components. Keep it as an underscore earlier. Any full local, right? Say like that. There is some naming convention based on the greenet or another letter, I don't know. What is it? Double get to the bottom. And also, I think some naming issue, I guess. Keep it to a Win 30. That's it. Very more that. I think underscore will not work. Frame out that underscore. Now what happened? Remove back, come back. Come back. Thanks. A cool you can that Windows directly right click. No, it is not working. No, it's not working. My tiny control. There you can tell how I got to that dot. It's wrong. This one dot dot. I will get. Try for that flat phone name. Wait, I will give it a flat phone name also. I will give it a flat phone name. You can mention that Linux. I am giving you the way you can see the Windows, whatever it is. You said any chart. You just think in. I can go to this. You can try this. This is a bit. Change it that. I keep it as. And keep it as an R. That's the instead of our S. Always remember S, this is only for our Linux. It's fine. I think why? What happened? The same one. I think we should be. We have the same error before. The same. We had. I think it didn't work for local accounts, but for Windows domain account. We duplicated that platform, but for local account we could. I don't know why, but we had the same error. It should work because I don't know, but the lab environment is not. But in the office and the planted moment it should work. Click on the domain we tried refreshing. From start. I've got it. Type sync. That's what I'm also wondering. Same error. Maybe for she beep. I guess it's because of the user. We have to change. We have everything. You are the administration rights. I'll be. And the last you can type for the last. We just refresh and all the. Type for Windows. Type for Linux. At least I don't think. To go to the below one where I said case whatever it is. Whatever it is. Anything. Thanks and give that same copy. Plan access. Just start. Just mention that name. Name on the description. You can mention something. The same image. The problem is here. Can we just log in with the administrator and try again? But I don't think because the site is getting the complete administration rights. I got it. Which take? I think you guys have vision from it too. Try in the Linux. Linux also same thing. The big law on asset key. Below and all, should I try with this? I'll try. Just give the background descriptions. Sorry. Same error. I don't think it is getting there. I think we restarted the service at that time. We did something like that. The same error. But even though see, that is completely different. Server level access is different, but in that PV view, you can see we have a not mentioned right. We have a try to add the platform. But I don't think it is. No, this is some kind of bug. I don't know. Right. Let me check why it is. We need to install the CPM, and after that we have to try duplicating it. The most of the other, sometimes CPM services is not activated. Then only the problem will occur. But here we didn't install the CPM right. Even though while creating shape also we are assigning to the CPM. We require CPM here. We will do one thing, we will install the CPM also tomorrow. And we will try and create for the platform. Then we'll add some few accounts. Now you understand right how to add the user entry private or plant. How to add user able to log in and through PVW or whatever it is. How you can add the member of what query user into the whatever it is, whether it can add to that main, whether it can add to the auditor, whether it can add to the same member. Based on their groups, based on their members, you can add it. Then close this log off. Don't close always. I'm not doing something. You need to log off. Otherwise you may get it. I think it's slow down. That's what my session is, always log off. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@upptalk.com.